Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix security threats detected in Roblox. So first of all, you're going to have to immediately restart your device once you see that pop off. And what you have to do is, if you have been downloading a lot of third-party applications that are fishy, you're going to have to uninstall them ASAP. So for that, for example, you may go ahead, launch your settings, scroll below, select apps, and simply type in the name of the application and uninstall it from there. Now the next thing you could try is download any application from a real site, which is Play Store. Now lastly, just to be on safe side, you're going to have to immediately change your Roblox password. So go ahead, launch your Roblox app and change your password. Once done, let's go ahead, clear some cache as well. So type in Roblox, open the application, select storage, clear the cache, and once done, select force stop, select OK. Now restart your device again, launch your Roblox, and it will work. Thank you for watching.